There is a bit of a glitch with my video editing software, and yesterday's video uploaded as widescreen. I guess you noticed that. Everything was a little stretched out. It was supposed to be 16 by 9 as per usual. Sorry about that. I think I know what's causing it. And hopefully I won't let it happen again. Anyway, here we go with number 84. I am just using CA medium here, and once again the instruction manual is not too clear as to just exactly how this ladder is supposed to be positioned. However, I know it's supposed to go somewhere on the side of this vent tube, so I'm just gonna guess. Nobody's gonna know the difference anyway. It's not like a crew member of the Bismarck is gonna come walking by and say, "Hey, you put the ladder in the wrong place." Now these other ones that were supposed to be a different size, or at least a different number, I'll put them separate. Now, this little piece here, this is supposed to go right on the bow. Some sort of a mast for a flagstaff or something. And yeah, if I stick it on the tape, I can't paint it all the way around. So I might have to put this on a clip and just do it separately. And then there's another little piece. Going to be kind of similar. No, I don't know. I don't know if it would stay standing up or if it would just sort of blow over. I think it might get, knocked over from the wind from the brush. Like, I know it sticks there like that right now, but I guess I could try it. Now there's another thing about this little piece. It is so incredibly delicate, and it's right on the very bow of the ship. I think that probably after I get it painted, I might do well to wait until after, the ship is almost completely done, and maybe put it on last, because, like I say, it's right on the very bow. Now, I was just thinking here, I may have made a mistake in fastening this one down on the masking tape, because the fracture is right there, and it could be that when I try to remove this now, I'm going to break it off completely. What I should have done is just had this part, this section here, fastened onto the tape, and the other just hanging free. Well, I guess we'll soon find out. Now, here's another afterthought. Being is that it seems that this tape seems to stick pretty good. Could I do this? Boy, does that tape ever stick good. That's scary. How am I going to get these pieces off now without breaking them? This little piece did fall over. It didn't blow away, it just fell over. Now, what you should notice here is that this time, the larger pieces, I sprayed them individually. instead of doing one sweeping back and forth motion across the whole thing, I concentrated on each one. Now these little tiny ones here, well, I did the sweeping thing on them. And the same thing with the photo etch pieces here. Anyway, it went really well, and they look really good. While the paint is curing properly on these things, I just know that you want to see them really close up. And if you don't want to see them close up, well, I'm going to show them to you anyway. I'm kind of proud of the way they turned out. You know, it's interesting how when I zoom in like this, I see every little piece of dust. I realize that I didn't show this stuff being painted, but you know I did it pretty much the same way as the last 5 or 6 times that I did show it being done. And this time I wanted to try the experiment of painting each one of those pieces individually. And it worked out really well. I was able to pick the disc up and not worry about is it still in the sight of the camera. And, you know, get the angle just right and concentrate on what I was doing. Yeah, worked out good. Now, when I try to pick up a little piece like this, when the tweezers slip off, and they almost always do, it usually takes a little bit of paint with it. Now, you may remember that I was saying that I have, 5 or 6 tweezers that are almost identical. Well, I'm going to sacrifice another pair here. I'm going to take my photo etch bending plier, and I'm going to bend the end of the tweezer so it makes sort of a little hook, so that when I go around the part, it kind of goes underneath it, and I can pull it loose, and then with the another pair of tweezers, I can pick it up the rest of the way. At least that's the plan. No, it doesn't have to be a whole lot. Maybe just a millimeter from the end. Okay, now we'll do the other one. Okay, very gently now. Oh, squeeze. There. Hey, it worked. Let's try another one. Get it underneath. That one came real easy. Okay. Well, that worked out good. Now, this is what I have this special tweezer in mind for. You can see the break right there. We'll just carefully go up, up. I got it. Yeah, I got it. As long as I'm here, I may as well do this one too. Now you will notice right here there's a little silhouette, and here, and here. Well, altogether I just counted 39 silhouettes. I've removed everything except this one right here. This is the last piece. So go real easy here. Okay, there we go. It's the last one. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.